Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Life of Shay. So on today's agenda, watch me unpack my Bath & Body Works body mists. And I did get these on sale too. In the beginning you saw I was being real extra with this box, excuse that. But up first is Brightest Bloom, second, Petal Parade, and last but not least is Pink Parade. Let me get that bottle straight. Alright, and here I am popping the bubble wrap. Am I the only one that likes to pop these? The bubble wrap that comes in a box? Okay, so let's get into it. Let me go through now and spray some of these and see if I like them. And so the main one that I have been using lately is the Petal Parade. The Petal Parade smells amazing. Very much so amazing. Don't get me wrong, all of them do smell good, but I kind of like going through one spray at a time rather than change up daily, which I probably should start to, wear one day, next one 7 days out of week, smell different every day. But I don't do that. I like to stick with one bottle at a time and use it all up, and then I go to my next one, which I probably should, start doing that, changing it up. Next up, watch me use and review this viral makeup brush cleaner from 5 Amber Glow. This does take AAA batteries. I believe it takes 3 of them, which you all will be seeing here in a second. I did go to my sink and put some water and makeup cleaner in it. I do have to say, please have a towel on standby, or you could just clean your brushes at the sink. Totally up to you. It is a little messy, and that's probably because too partially my fault, because I did dip the whole thing in water rather than getting a cup or a bottle and pour it in. So that was probably my fault. But look, you all see my brushes, how it turned out. From what they looked like before and then after. I will have to say it does get it clean. But the only thing with it as well, you can't put a lot of brushes in there. You only can do like a few at a time, so it is kind of time consuming. But other than that, I would say it's great for the brushes that I have, the brushes that I use. It did get them clean. So I would definitely recommend go to your nearest Five Below and get you a viral makeup brush cleaner. guys are probably like, what just happened there? So that was just me moving my camera and positioning it in the correct area. But I did get this bucket from Dollar Tree. I got this bucket because I wanted to decorate because I'm supposed to be having a new niecey poo in the family. And so I decided I want to decorate the bucket for the baby shower because her baby shower was coming up. Um, just to decorate it and put her name on it, a whole bunch of glitter and stuff. I have to say, I did not get a picture of the end result. It was cute, however, the day of the baby shower, literally in the car driving there, everything rubbed off. I was so hurt. Like, I spent all this time. I even did some extra stuff, which I did not even record. Um, but yeah, everything rubbed off the day of the baby shower, literally in the car, getting out of a car to go into the building. Which, like I said, I was so hurt behind that because I spent all this time. I even did stuff that I didn't even record. Just for that to happen. Like, the bucket was so freaking cute. I don't know if it was the glue that I used, because I got some glue from Dollar Tree as well, which that's probably the issue. But the glue that I grabbed, it stated that it was for these type of projects and it was supposed to hold. But it didn't work. It failed. I probably should just use some Gorilla Glue or something. That probably would have did the trick. But anyways, enough about me ranting. So what I did was I got the bucket. I tried using tape at first to spell out my niece's name because I just wanted to position it in the correct area so I know where to put the glitter at around the area. And then after I got the glitter and stuff on with the glue, I don't think I recorded it, but I went back, took the tape off, and I wrote in her name. When I wrote in her name, I went back and added the glue, like in the lettering of her name, so I could add the glitter on top of it after I was done with the entire bucket and everything. Which it was darn cute. I got the glitter, like I said, I got the glitter from Dollar Tree as well. It was like a gold, silver, then there was like a mixture of gold and silver, and it was a hot pink and then a rose pink, a rose gold color in there as well, which those are the colors that I used. And it filled up the entire bucket. Like, I still got glitter left, but for the majority of it, I really only want to use 2 colors. I ended up using, I think, majority all of them just to fill up the entire bucket. But it was super duper cute. You'll see like the glitter parts around it that I show a little bit of a glimpse of. But just watch me decorate this bucket.
there's work to do, I'm willing. I'm horrible, but it's up to find your clarity. Cause I don't wanna say something wrong. I don't wanna make this worse than it has to be. But right now we don't understand each other. I just need for you to come and cover us. Teach me how to understand this man. I don't want my right to rule it when you land. Teach me how to understand this man. I don't want my right to rule it when you land. Teach me to understand. Lord, I know I'm not perfect. Neither is this man that you sent me. And I don't wanna hurt him. So right now, could you just speak through me? Cause I don't wanna say something I don't mean. I don't wanna make this worse than it has to be. But right now we don't understand each other. I just need for you to come and cover us. Teach me how to understand this man. I don't want my right to rule it when you land. Teach me how to understand this man. I don't want my right to rule it when you land. Teach me, Lord, I'll be perfect. I know this man may loves me. So if there's work to do, I'm willing. I'm horrible, but it's up to find your clarity. Cause I don't wanna say something wrong. I don't wanna make this worse than it has to be. But right now we don't understand each other. I just need for you to come and cover us. Teach me how to understand this man. I don't want my right to rule it when you.
And Lord, I know I'm not perfect, neither is this man that you sent me. And I don't wanna hurt him, so right now could you just speak through me? Cause I don't wanna say something I don't mean. I don't wanna make this worse than it has to be. But right now we don't understand each other.